wrist like this, you don't check the forecast, every day it's gonna rain. Yeah, made a brick do a brick, ain't whip up shit, this pure cocaine. Yeah, from the streets, but I gotta.
Okay, it's Trendy.Vickie and I'm back with another video for you. And my niece is crying in the background, but we gotta get this video out because you guys need new content. So, this video will be on how to get this everyday makeup look, you know, really nice, natural beat for everyday look, you know. You like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And make sure that you guys just continue to support me because your girl is gonna be on the come up and I got a lot in store for you guys. So stay tuned. Let's get right into the video. First, we're going to start off with some milk of magnesia. A lot of y'all probably going to be like, that's not for skin. But baby, when I tell you it's the best primer that I have ever used, baby, mine is a little dried and clumped up. But we're going to work with what we got because your girl did not feel like going to the store. So we're going to put that all over our face, you know, where we get oily. I got a little oily T-zone or whatever. So I'm going to put it on and make sure it ain't no like clumps of, you know, white taking it off my skin because can't be walking around clumpy and crater faced and all. But yeah, so just apply that all over your face and yeah. Now taking my Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze, you know, I'm going to be applying this underneath my eyelids, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and right in the center of my forehead. And that's basically where you're basically highlighting certain parts of your skin so that you don't look so even toned and like flat faced. You're adding dimension to your skin. Now let me say this, baby. You got to blend, baby. You cannot be walking around here looking all clown in the face and stuff. You got to blend this stuff like your life freaking depends on it. You cannot be around here being able to see every shadow, high tone, low tone in your freaking skin. No, it's supposed to be even, and you just need to blend. Beat your freaking face. Beat it till you can't beat it no more. Now taking my liquid foundation from Black Radiance in the color Brownie, I'm going to apply this onto my face with the little dollar store brand sponges because who got time to be buying these sponges and all they do is rip up. So I get the disposable ones from the dollar store and I'm going to use that to apply my foundation evenly. Blend, baby, blend. No harsh lines, okay? Now I'm going to take this loose mineral powder from Ofra, and I'm going to apply this as like a setting powder underneath my eyes and everywhere I put concealer. So I'm basically just going to bake, or like, I don't even bake honestly, because I don't want to look like a ghost and I don't like flashback. So I just sit it there, and then as soon as I'm done applying it, I sweep it off my face. Now taking my dollar store eyeliner in the color dark brown, because I accidentally picked up dark brown instead of black, I'm going to slay this wing eyeliner, and I do every single time. But your girl likes hers a little thick because, I don't know, I just like it like that. I don't like thin eyeliner, so mine's going to be a really thick no cap. But your girl be looking good. Okay, so now we're gonna work on these lashes. Okay, your girl is allergic to eyelash glue. Any eyelash glue I've ever tried, my eyes just swell up. So the only thing I can use is hair glue. So I'm gonna apply this with some tool. You can use a bobby pin, anything that's sharp enough just to apply it, you know. And I'm gonna throw these lashes on so your girl can be blinking her eyes, you know, looking all cute and stuff.
Can be cute. Don't try and have to clean your face up if you mess up. It's all good.
I like lip liner personally, so I'm gonna line my lips, not overlining them, not trying to be no Kylie Jenner type junk. I like my lips, you know. Everyone's beautiful, thin lips, thick lips, medium lips, whatever. Everybody is beautiful. So you do not have to overline your lips, baby. Just don't. It's not cute. But lining my lips, and I'm gonna apply some lip gloss that I found at my local dollar store, and it is so cute, and I love this lip gloss. And yeah, it just completes my look, you know. Okay, so couldn't nobody tell me I wasn't cute right here? Nobody. But wait. Did I just switch the hairstyle just to make it look even better? Y'all, I'm really confident in myself, and y'all just know, like, your girl is looking cute and you can look even better. Just follow these steps, you feel me? You be a popping just like your girl. Cause baby, we all know all of us gotta be little bad chicks out here. We can't be looking ugly.
I'm the best you never had. My little baby, change your price tag.